Modern science cannot explain how a civilization using bronze tools created a 37-year analog computer. In 1901, sponge divers off the coast of Greece pulled a mysterious wreckage from the dark ocean floor. Hidden among marble statues and gold was a small corroded object that looked like a useless green stone. For decades, the artifact sat in a museum, ignored, until it split open to reveal something impossible. Archaeologists were terrified when X-rays revealed complex bronze gears hidden deep inside the calcified rock. This device was designed to track the movements of the sun, moon, and 5 known planets with absolute precision. It even predicted lunar and solar eclipses, accounting for the irregular orbit of the moon. The level of mechanical engineering found here was not seen again by human eyes for over 15 centuries. Historians are forced to ask, how did the Greeks build a computer before the invention of the mechanical clock? There are no written records or prototypes of this technology, as if it appeared out of thin air. This single discovery shatters the official timeline of human progress and technological evolution. If one such machine existed, there must have been thousands more that are now lost to the sea. We are looking at a forgotten industrial revolution that was buried by the sands of time. Do you think the ancients had a secret source of knowledge, or have we simply forgotten our own past? Tell us your theory in the comments and subscribe to Artifact Files for more forbidden truths.